Right, so this quick video shows you how to install, assemble and connect your 60 watts MagSafe Power Adapter for your MacBook Pro. It is designed in California but made in China and is compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch only. So we are pretty much going to unwrap the package and assemble the MagSafe Power Adapter and also connect the MagSafe connector to our computer and plug the 3-pin plug into the mains. So this is your MagSafe Power Adapter. The smaller end is the line source connection interface to your mains, and the larger part is the line source connection to your computer. Here I'll be taking out the casing from the MagSafe connector and connecting this to my computer, and the 3-pin plug goes directly into the main socket. Having successfully mated both parts of the MagSafe adapter, the MagSafe connector should light up orange if it's still charging, and when fully charged, it lights up to or it changes to green. Click, barber click, and that's about it really. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Goodbye, bye.